Hi, welcome back. In this quiz of commonly confused words. In this quiz, you will be getting a question. You have to read the questions carefully and select the correct choice from the available choices. Before beginning with the quiz session, friends, you can take pen and paper in your hands and then start the quiz session. So I will wait for you for 5 seconds. You can take pen and paper with you. Now let's jump in. Let's take the first question. While she did not dash or say hello to her brother at the court case, everyone knew she would not dash her rights to her claim on the inheritance. Now options are given on the screen. You have to select the correct option. I'll wait for you for 5 seconds, then I'll tell you the right answer. Now let's see the correct answer. The answer is wave and W-A-I-V-E, wave. So wave means to give a signal or to give a hand to someone or to say hello to someone, and W-A-I-V-E, wave means to remove, to forgo. So she cannot, in this sentence it is said that she did not wave to her brother, so that it was understood she will not remove any of her rights in the court case. Now let's see next question. In the swimming relay final, every dash seemed to dash with powerful and athletically built players. Options are given on the screen. I'll wait for you for 5 seconds. You can select the correct option. Now let's see the correct answer. The answer is TEAM, team, and TEEM, team. Here team means group of players, or here TEAM, team means full. So first option is TEAM, team. Second option is TEAM, team. Next, question 3. Before I eat them, I will dash this dash of pears. So I'll wait again for you for 5 seconds. You can choose the correct option. Then I'll tell you the right answer. Now let's see right answer. The answer is pear, P-A-R-E, and the second one is P-A-I-R, pear. So let's look at once more. Before I eat them, I will pair, P-A-R-E, pair, this pair of pears. So pair means to cut, and P-A-I-R, pair means group of two. So I hope you have understood this question. Now let's take question number 4. The government dashed the use of helmets while driving two-wheeler and dash texting while driving. The options are on the screen. You will get only 5 seconds to select the correct answer. Now let's see the answer. The answer is prescribe, P-R-E-C-R-I-B-E, that means advise, and second is proscribe, that means to stop someone, to ban someone. Now let's see the answer. The government prescribed the use of helmets while driving two-wheeler and proscribe texting while driving. That means the government has advised use of helmets and stopped or banned texting while driving. Let's take another question. Many marriage Many marriage palaces near the dash depot have been declared unauthorized and dash has been passed to raise them to the ground. Only 5 seconds to select the correct option. Options are given on the screen. Now let's see the answer. The answer is ordnance and second is ordinance. So the meaning of ORDNANCE, that means gun or arms or armaments, and the ordinance means law or rule, you can say. So let's see the question. Many marriage palaces near the ordnance depot, that means the depot which has got lots of arms and armaments, have been declared unauthorized, and government and ordinance means an order, a government order has been passed to raise them to the ground. Now let's take 6th question. One should have high dash values to keep his dash high in his life. You will get 5 seconds to select right answer. Now let's see the answer. First is moral and second is morale. Moral means lesson of the story, or morale means high spirit. So here you can see one should have high moral values to keep his morale high in his life. If you have good moral values, you have good ethics, you can easily keep your morale or spirit high. So I hope friends you have understood this question. Let's move to last question. Question number 7. Did you hear the dash about the bungee jumper who died because he miscalculated the height of the each dash before diving off a building? So options are on the screen, friends. You have to select correct option, then I'll tell you the answer with explanation. Now let's see the answer, friends. Answer is story. S-T-O-R-Y. Story means a tale or some kind of experiences. Or second, story means a floor of building. Now let's understand the question. Did you hear the story or tale about the bungee jumper who died because he miscalculated the height of the each story? Story means floor before the diving of a building. It's a question, friends. Remember, there is a question mark at the end. So this is how you have to solve the questions of commonly confused words. Thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope you have understood how to solve the questions of commonly confused words. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications on your screen, and kindly share this channel and videos with your friends and loved ones. Thank you very much. Bye bye.